Ever feel like your iPhone contacts list is an unmanageable jungle? Today, I'm showing you the quickest way to prune that overgrown list and regain sanity, all by deleting multiple contacts at once. This is a game changer for anyone with a packed contact book. First things first, unlock your iPhone and tap open the Contacts app. You can usually find it in your dock or by swiping down and searching for contacts. Alright, see that edit button in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that. This puts your contacts into a mode where you can make changes. Now, before we get to the magic, you need to back out of this editing view without saving anything, so tap done in the top right, and immediately after, you'll see a back button appear on the left. You're going to swipe left across the entire screen, from right to left, to go back to your main contacts list. This is a crucial step to enable the multi-delete feature. Okay, we're back on the main contacts list screen now. Tap edit again in the top right corner. This time, it's going to bring up our special multi-delete interface. See these little circles that have appeared next to each contact? This is where the magic happens. Simply tap the circles next to all the contacts you want to get rid of. Each tap will select a contact, and you can just keep tapping to build your deletion list. Once you've selected everyone you want to remove, look to the bottom left of your screen. You'll see a red button that says delete all. Go ahead and tap that. A confirmation box will pop up, showing you exactly how many contacts you're about to banish. Just tap delete contacts to finalize the action. And just like that, your contact list is significantly tidier. You've efficiently removed multiple contacts, saving yourself a ton of time and effort. Happy organizing!